So, did you repent? Did you? Okay. Repent. Oh, all right. Because if you didn't, Jesus will let me know. So it's time to surrender, repent, okay? It's just time. All right? You see the birds all around? It's just time, all right? Stop being bitter. Stop with the egotistical. Stop with the pride and ego, okay? Just stop. Stop with the unforgiving others. You have to forgive them so that you can heal. God said in Romans 12:2, let me use you and transform you by the way you think. Okay? Hopefully I said that correct. I'm gonna go double check. Other than that, you guys know exactly what I mean. Alright? So, please repent and save your soul. Jesus will be here soon. Birds are flying in pairs and they're all around me right now. Hopefully I don't get a violation for that. Take care, peace, healing to the world.